Kailan ka nagguhit ng larawan? When did you draw a picture? Paano? Paano ka nagguguhit ng tuwid na linya? How do you draw a straight line? Bakit? Bakit maguguhit ka bukas? Why will you draw tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagguhit ng portrait? For whom did you draw a portrait? Saan? Saan ka nagguguhit? Sa notebook ba o sa tablet? Where do you draw? On a notebook or on a tablet? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka maguguhit ng logo? When will you draw a logo? Paano? Paano ka nagguhit kahit walang ruler? How did you draw even without a ruler? Bakit? Bakit naguguhit ka pa rin kahit pagod ka? Why are you still drawing even though you're tired? Kanino? Kanino ka naguguhit ng design ngayon? Para sa kliyente o para sa sarili? For whom are you drawing a design now? For a client or for yourself? Saan? Saan ka naguhit nung bata ka? Where did you draw when you were a kid? Kailan ka nagkaroon ng trabaho? When did you get a job? Paano? Paano ka nakakaroon ng oras para mag-aral araw-araw? How do you manage to have time to study every day? Bakit? Bakit magkakaroon kayo ng meeting bukas? Why will you have a meeting tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino nagkaroon ng problema kahapon? Who had a problem yesterday? Saan? Saan ka nagkakaroon ng pinakamagandang ideya? Where do you get your best ideas? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magkakaroon ng bakasyon? When will you have a vacation? Paano? Paano ka nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob magsalita noon? How did you get the courage to speak back then? Bakit? Bakit nakakaroon ka pa rin ng duda? Why are you still having doubts? Kanino? Kanino nakakaroon ng tiwala ang team ngayon? Who does the team trust now? Saan? Saan kayo nagkaroon ng unang pagkikita? Where did you have your first meeting? Kailan ka nagsanay para sa exam? When did you practice for the exam? Paano? Paano ka nagsasanay magsalita ng Tagalog araw-araw? How are you practicing speaking Tagalog every day? Bakit? Bakit magsasanay ka ulit bukas? Why will you practice again tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsanay mag-present noong training? With whom did you practice presenting during the training? Saan? Saan ka nagsasanay? Sa bahay o sa gym? Where do you practice? At home or at the gym? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magsasanay para sa interview? When will you practice for the interview? Paano? Paano ka nagsanay kahit pagod ka? How did you practice even though you were tired? Bakit? Bakit nagsasanay ka pa rin kahit mahirap? Why are you still practicing even though it's hard? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsasanay magtagalog kapag may oras ka? With whom do you practice Tagalog when you have time? Saan? Saan ka nagsanay kahapon? Where did you practice yesterday? Kailan ka humawak sa kamay niya? When did you hold his/her hand? Paano? Paano ka humahawak ng kutsilyo ng ligtas? How do you hold a knife safely? Bakit? Bakit hahawak ka sa rail mamaya? Why will you hold the rail later? Kanino? Kanino ka humawak noong tumawid kayo? Whose hand did you hold when you crossed? Saan? Saan ka humahawak kapag sumasakay ka sa bus? Where do you hold on when you ride the bus? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka hahawak sa bagong responsibilidad? When will you take hold of the new responsibility? Paano? Paano ka humawak nang hindi siya nasaktan? How did you hold them without hurting them? Bakit? Bakit humahawak ka pa rin kahit masakit? Why are you still holding on even though it hurts? Kanino? Kanino ka humahawak kapag natatakot ka? Whose hand do you hold when you're scared? Saan? Saan ka humawak nung biglang huminto ang jeep? Where did you hold on when the jeep suddenly stopped? Kailan ka nag-ayuno? When did you fast? Paano? Paano ka nag-ayuno kung marami kang trabaho? How do you fast if you have a lot of work? Bakit? Bakit mag-aayuno ka bukas? Why will you fast tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-ayuno kasama? With whom did you fast? Saan? Saan ka nag-ayuno? Sa bahay ba o sa trabaho? Where do you fast? At home or at work? Sailan? Kailan ka mag-aayuno ulit? When will you fast again? Paano? Paano ka nag-ayuno kahit may handaan? How did you fast even though there was a feast? Bakit? Bakit nag-ayuno ka pa rin kahit pagod ka? Why are you still fasting even though you're tired? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-ayuno para sa panata? For whom are you fasting as a vow? Para saan? Saan? Saan ka nag-ayuno noong bakasyon? Where did you fast during vacation? Kailan ka nagdusa dahil sa sakit? When did you suffer because of an illness? Paano? Paano ka nagdurusa sa stress araw-araw? How are you suffering from stress every day? Bakit? Bakit magdurusa ka kung hindi ka magpapahinga? Why will you suffer if you don't rest? Kanino? Kanino ka nagdusa dahil sa ginawa niya? Because of whom did you suffer due to what they did? Saan? Saan ka nagdurusa ngayon? Sa trabaho ba o sa bahay? Where are you suffering right now? At work or at home? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magdurusa kung magpapatuloy ka sa ganyan? When will you end up suffering if you keep doing that? Paano? Paano ka nagdusa kahit may tumulong sa'yo? How did you suffer even though someone helped you? Bakit? Bakit nagdurusa ka pa rin kahit tapos na? Why are you still suffering even though it's over? Kanino? Kanino ka nagdurusa para sa pamilya mo? For whom are you enduring hardship? For your family? Saan? Saan ka nagdusa noong panahon ng bagyo? Where did you suffer during the storm? Kailan ka nag-ingat sa daan? When were you careful on the road? Paano? Paano ka nag-iingat kapag gabi? How are you careful when it's night? Bakit? Bakit mag-iingat ka bukas? Why will you be careful tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-ingat nung may sakit siya? Whom did you take care of when he/she was sick? Saan? Saan ka nag-iingat kapag maraming tao? Where do you be extra careful when there are many people? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka mag-iingat sa gastos? When will you be careful with spending? Paano? Paano ka nag-ingat para hindi magkasakit? How were you careful so you wouldn't get sick? Bakit? Bakit nag-iingat ka pa rin kahit okay na? Why are you still being careful even though it's okay now? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-iingat na yon? Who are you taking care of right now? Saan? Saan ka nag-ingat nung madulas ang sahig? Where were you careful when the floor was slippery? Kailan ka nagsaliksik tungkol sa paksang ito? When did you research about this topic? Paano? Paano ka nagsasaliksik kapag kulang ang oras mo? How do you research when you don't have much time? Bakit? Bakit magsasaliksik ka pa bukas? Why will you research more tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsaliksik na impormasyon? From whom did you research/get information? Kanino ka nagtanong ng impormasyon? Saan? Saan ka nagsasaliksik? Sa library ba o online? Where do you research? At the library or online? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magsasaliksik para sa project mo? When will you research for your project? Paano? Paano ka nagsaliksik kahit mahirap hanapin ang source? How did you research even though the source was hard to find? Bakit? Bakit nagsasaliksik ka pa rin kahit tapos na ang report? Why are you still researching even though the report is finished? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsasaliksik ng facts? Sa expert ba o sa teacher? From whom do you get facts? An expert or a teacher? Saan? Saan ka nagsaliksik noong gumawa ka ng thesis? Where did you do research when you made your thesis? Kailan ka nag-alay ng dasal para sa kanila? When did you offer a prayer for them? Paano? Paano ka nag-aalay ng oras para sa pamilya mo? How do you dedicate time to your family? Bakit? Bakit mag-aalay ka ng tulong bukas? Why will you offer help tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-alay ng regalo noong birthday niya? To whom did you offer a gift on his/her birthday? Saan? Saan ka nag-aalay ng donasyon kapag may sakuna? Where do you give donations when there's a disaster? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka mag-aalay ng panahon para mag-aral ng Tagalog? When will you set aside time to study Tagalog? Paano? Paano ka nag-alay ng suporta kahit mahirap para sa'yo? How did you offer support even though it was hard for you? Bakit? Bakit nag-aalay ka pa rin ng effort kahit pagod ka? Why do you still put in effort even though you're tired? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-aalay ng pasasalamat ngayon? To whom are you offering thanks right now? Saan? Saan ka nag-alay ng bulaklak nung seremonya? Where did you offer flowers during the ceremony? Kailan ka naghalap ng trabaho? When did you look for a job? Paano? Paano ka naghahalap ng susi kapag nawawala? How do you look for your keys when they're missing? Bakit? Bakit maghahalap ka ng bagong apartment bukas? Why will you look for a new apartment tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka naghanap ng tulong noong naligaw ka? From whom did you look for help when you got lost? Saan? Saan ka naghahanap ng impormasyon? Online ba o sa library? Where do you look for information? Online or in the library? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka maghahanap ng oras para magpahinga? When will you find time to rest? Paano? Paano ka naghalap ng paraan kahit mahirap? How did you look for a way even though it was hard? Bakit? Bakit naghahanap ka pa rin kahit alam mo na? Why are you still searching even though you already know? Kanino? Kanino ka naghahanap ng advice kapag nalilito ka? From whom do you look for advice when you're confused? Saan? Saan ka naghanap noong nawala ang wallet mo? Where did you search when your wallet went missing? Kailan ka naghintay dito? When did you wait here? Paano? Paano ka naghihintay nang hindi naiinip? How do you wait without getting impatient? Bakit? Bakit maghihintay ka pa bukas? Why will you still wait tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka naghintay kahapon? Whom were you waiting for yesterday? Saan? Saan ka naghihintay kapag may sundo ka? Where do you wait when someone is picking you up? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka maghihintay ng sagot? When will you wait for an answer? Paano? Paano ka naghintay kahit umuulan? How did you wait even though it was raining? Bakit? Bakit naghihintay ka pa rin kahit late na siya? Why are you still waiting even though he/she is already late? Kanino? Kanino ka naghihintay ngayon? Who are you waiting for right now? Saan? Saan ka naghintay noong gabi na? Where did you wait when it was already night? Kailan ka nag-ipon para sa bagong phone? When did you save up for a new phone? Paano? Paano ka nag-iipon kahit marami kang gastos? How do you save even though you have many expenses? Bakit? Bakit mag-iipon ka ulit bukas? Why will you start saving again tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-ipon ng pera para sa regalo? For whom did you save money for a gift? Saan? Saan ka nag-iipon? Sa bangko ba o sa alkansya? Where do you save? In the bank or in the piggy bank? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka mag-iipon para sa biyahe mo? When will you save up for your trip? Paano? Paano ka nag-ipon kahit maliit lang ang sweldo mo? How did you save even though your salary was small? Bakit? Bakit nag-iipon ka pa rin kahit may ipon ka na? Why are you still saving even though you already have savings? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-iipon ng pera ngayon? Para sa sarili mo o para sa pamilya? For whom are you saving money now? For yourself or for your family? Saan? Saan mo itinago ang ipon mo noon? Where did you hide your savings before? Kailan ka nagsali ng dokumento? When did you translate a document? Paano? Paano ka nagsasalin ng mahahabang pangungusap? How do you translate long sentences? Bakit? Bakit magsasalin ka ng Tagalog bukas? Why will you translate into Tagalog tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsalin ng mensahe kahapon? For whom did you translate a message yesterday? Saan? Saan ka nagsasalin? Sa notebook ba o sa computer? Where do you translate? In a notebook or on a computer? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magsasalin para sa project mo? When will you translate for your project? Paano? Paano ka nagsalin kahit kulang ang oras? How did you translate even though you lack time? Bakit? Bakit nagsasalin ka pa rin kahit pagod ka? Why are you still translating even though you're tired? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsasalin ngayon? Para sa kliyente o para sa kaibigan? For whom are you translating now? For a client or for a friend? Saan? Saan ka nagsalin noong nasa biyahe ka? Where did you translate when you were traveling? Kailan ka naglingkod sa komunidad? When did you serve the community? Paano? Paano ka naglilingkod sa mga customer araw-araw? How do you serve customers every day? Bakit? Bakit maglilingkod ka sa proyekto bukas? Why will you serve/work on the project tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka naglingkod noong event? Whom did you serve during the event? Saan? Saan ka naglilingkod na yon? Sa opisina o sa simbahan? Where are you serving now? At the office or at church? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka maglilingkod bilang volunteer? When will you serve as a volunteer? Paano? Paano ka naglingkod kahit pagod ka na? How did you serve even though you were already tired? Bakit? Bakit naglilingkod ka pa rin kahit mahirap? Why do you keep serving even though it's hard? Kanino? Kanino ka naglilingkod ngayon? Sa pamilya mo o sa kumpanya? Whom are you serving now? Your family or your company? Saan? Saan ka naglingkod noong bakasyon? Where did you serve during vacation? Kailan ka nagsikap para matapos ang project? When did you work hard to finish the project? Paano? Paano ka nagsisikap kahit pagod ka? How do you keep trying even when you're tired? Bakit? Bakit magsisikap ka pa bukas? Why will you keep working hard tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsikap para patunayan ang sarili mo? For whom did you work hard to prove yourself? Saan? Saan ka nagsisikap ng husto? Sa trabaho ba o sa pag-aaral? Where do you work hardest? At work or in studying? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magsisikap para sa goal mo? When will you strive for your goal? Paano? Paano ka nagsikap kahit walang tumulong? How did you work hard even though no one helped? Bakit? Bakit nagsisikap ka pa rin kahit mabagal ang progreso? Why do you keep striving even though the progress is slow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsisikap magpakita ng galing? For whom are you trying to show your skill? Saan? Saan ka nagsikap nung college ka? Where did you work hard when you were in college? Kailan ka nagbahagi ng pagkain? When did you share food? Paano? Paano ka nagbabahagi ng oras sa pamilya mo? How do you share your time with your family? Bakit? Bakit magbabahagi ka ng kwento bukas? Why will you share a story tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagbahagi ng sikreto kahapon? With whom did you share a secret yesterday? Saan? Saan ka nagbabahagi ng updates? Sa chat ba o sa personal? Where do you share updates? In chat or in person? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magbabahagi ng opinion mo? When will you share your opinion? Paano? Paano ka nagbahagi kahit nahihiya ka? How did you share even though you were shy? Bakit? Bakit nagbabahagi ka pa rin kahit walang nakikinig? Why do you keep sharing even though no one is listening? Kanino? Kanino ka nagbabahagi ng problema kapag stressed ka? With whom do you share your problems when you're stressed? Saan? Saan ka nagbahagi ng tulong noon bagyo? Where did you give/share help during the storm? Kailan kayo nagbinyag ng bata? When did you baptize the child? Paano? Paano kayo nagbibinyag sa simbahan? How do you do baptisms at the church? Bakit? Bakit magbibinyag kayo bukas? Why will you baptize tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino kayo nagbinyag noong isang taon? Whose child did you baptize last year? Saan? Saan kayo nagbibinyag? Sa simbahan ba o sa bahay? Where do you baptize? At church or at home? Kailan? Kailan kayo magbibinyag ng baby? When will you baptize the baby? Paano? Paano kayo nagbinyag kahit umuulan? How did you baptize even though it was raining? Bakit? Bakit nagbibinyag pa rin kayo kahit may delay? Why are you still doing the baptism even though there's a delay? Kanino? Kanino kayo nagbibinyag ngayon? Whose child are you baptizing now? Saan? Saan kayo nagbinyag nung nagbakasyon kayo? Where did you baptize when you were on vacation? Kailan ka nag-aral kagabi? When did you study last night? Paano? Paano ka nag-aaral ng Tagalog araw-araw? How are you studying Tagalog every day? Bakit? Bakit mag-aaral ka bukas? Why will you study tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-aral ng lesson na yan? From whom did you learn/study that lesson? Saan? Saan ka nag-aaral? Sa bahay ba o sa library? Where do you study? At home or at the library? Kailan? Kailan ka mag-aaral para sa exam? When will you study for the exam? Paano? Paano ka nag-aral kahit pagod ka? How did you study even though you were tired? Bakit? Bakit nag-aaral ka pa rin kahit busy ka? Why are you still studying even though you're busy? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-aaral magtagalog? Sa teacher ba o sa kaibigan? With whom are you learning Tagalog? A teacher or a friend? Saan? Saan ka nag-aral noong weekend? Where did you study during the weekend? Kailan ka natuto magluto? When did you learn to cook? Paano? Paano ka natututo ng bagong salita araw-araw? How are you learning new words every day? Bakit? Bakit matututo ka ng mas mabilis kung araw-araw kang mapapractice? Why will you learn faster if you practice every day? Kanino? Kanino ka natuto ng recipe na yan? From whom did you learn that recipe? Saan? Saan ka natututo ng mas mabilis? Sa klase ba o online? Where do you learn faster? In class or online? Kailan? Kailan ka matututo magsalita ng Tagalog ng mas fluent? When will you learn to speak Tagalog more fluently? Paano? Paano ka natuto kahit mahirap sa umpisa? How did you learn even though it was hard at first? Bakit? Bakit natututo ka pa rin kahit maraming distractions? Why are you still learning even with many distractions? Kanino? Kanino ka natututo kapag may tanong ka? From whom do you learn when you have a question? Saan? Saan ka natuto mag-drive? Where did you learn to drive? Kailan ka nag-iwas sa matatamis? When did you avoid sweets? Paano? Paano ka nag-iwas sa puyat nitong linggo? How are you avoiding lack of sleep this week? Bakit? Bakit mag-iwas ka muna sa social media bukas? Why will you avoid social media tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-iwas magsabi ng balita? Who did you avoid telling the news to? Saan? Saan ka nag-iwas pumunta dahil delikado? Where are you avoiding going because it's dangerous? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka mag-iwas sa gastos? When will you avoid spending? Paano? Paano ka nag-iwas sa gulo kahapon? How did you avoid trouble yesterday? Bakit? Bakit nag-iwas ka pa rin kahit okay na? Why did you still avoid it even though it's okay now? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-iwas magpaliwanag ngayon? Whom are you avoiding explaining to right now? Saan? Saan ka nag-iwas pumunta noong may bagyo? Where did you avoid going when there was a storm? Kailan ka nagtagumpay sa exam? When did you succeed in the exam? Paano? Paano ka nagtatagumpay kahit mahirap? How are you succeeding even though it's hard? Bakit? Bakit magtagumpay ka kung tuloy-tuloy ang practice mo? Why will you succeed if your practice is consistent? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtagumpay? Sa sarili mo ba o sa iba? Who did you succeed for? Yourself or others? Saan? Saan ka nagtatagumpay ngayon? Sa trabaho ba o sa pag-aaral? Where are you succeeding now? At work or in studying? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magtagumpay sa goal mo? When will you succeed at your goal? Paano? Paano ka nagtagumpay kahit walang tumulong? How did you succeed even though no one helped? Bakit? Bakit nagtatagumpay ka pa rin kahit maraming hadlang? Why do you keep succeeding even though there are many obstacles? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtatagumpay kapag may pressure? For whom do you succeed when there's pressure? Saan? Saan ka nagtagumpay nung nakaraang taon? Where/at what area did you succeed last year? Sa't isa kailan? Kailan ka nagtiis sa sakit? When did you endure the pain? Paano? Paano ka nagtitiis kahit pagod ka? How do you endure even though you're tired? Bakit? Bakit magtiis ka pa kung may solusyon? Why will you still endure if there's a solution? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtiis para sa pamilya mo? For whom did you endure? For your family? Saan? Saan ka nagtitiis ngayon? Sa trabaho ba o sa bahay? Where are you enduring right now? At work or at home? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magtitiis para matapos ang project? When will you endure to finish the project? Paano? Paano ka nagtiis kahit walang tulong? How did you endure even without help? Bakit? Bakit natitiis ka pa rin kahit hindi ka masaya? Why are you still enduring even though you're not happy? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtitiis ngayon? For whom are you enduring right now? Saan? Saan ka nagtiis noong nagka-problema kayo? Where did you endure when you had problems? Kailan ka nagsisi sa desisyon mo? When did you regret your decision? Paano? Paano ka nagsisisi kapag naalala mo yon? How do you feel regret when you remember that? Bakit? Bakit magsisisi ka kung hindi ka aamin? Why will you regret it if you don't admit it? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsisi dahil sa sinabi mo? To whom did you feel regret because of what you said? Saan? Saan ka nagsisisi? Sa ginawa mo ba o sa hindi mo ginawa? What do you regret? What you did or what you didn't do? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magsisisi kung paulit-ulit mong gagawin? When will you regret it if you keep doing it? Paano? Paano ka nagsisi kahit tama ang intensyon mo? How did you regret it even though your intention was good? Bakit? Bakit nagsisisi ka pa rin kahit tapos na? Why are you still regretting it even though it's over? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsisisi na hindi ka nagsabi ng totoo? To whom do you regret that you didn't tell the truth? Saan? Saan ka nagsisi nung araw na yon? What did you regret on that day? Where did you regret, but meaning is, in what part/point? Kailan ka nagtaka sa sinabi niya? When did you wonder about what he/she said? Paano? Paano ka nagtataka kahit malinaw na? How are you still wondering even though it's already clear? Bakit? Bakit magtataka ka kung hindi siya sumagot? Why will you wonder if he/she doesn't reply? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtaka nung bigla siyang umalis? Who made you wonder when he/she suddenly left? Tungkol kanino ka nagtaka? Saan? Saan ka nagtataka? Sa dahilan ba o sa resulta? What are you wondering about? The reason or the result? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magtataka kung hindi siya dumating? When will you start wondering if he/she doesn't arrive? Paano? Paano ka nagtaka kahit nakita mo na? How did you still wonder even though you already saw it? Bakit? Bakit natataka ka pa rin hanggang ngayon? Why are you still wondering up to now? Kanino? Kanino ka natataka kapag may tsismis? Who do you wonder about when there's gossip? Saan? Saan ka nagtaka nung biglang nagbago ang plano? At what point did you wonder when the plan suddenly changed? Kailan ka nagtiwala sa kanya? When did you trust him/her? Paano? Paano ka nagtitiwala kahit may duda ka? How do you trust even though you have doubts? Bakit? Bakit magtiwala ka pa kung paulit-ulit siyang nagsisinungaling? Why will you still trust if he/she keeps lying? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtiwala noong may problema ka? Whom did you trust when you had a problem? Saan? Saan ka nagtitiwala? Sa puso mo ba o sa ebidensya? What do you trust? Your heart or the evidence? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magtitiwala ulit? When will you trust again? Paano? Paano ka nagtiwala kahit hindi mo siya kilala? How did you trust even though you didn't know him/her? Bakit? Bakit natitiwala ka pa rin kahit nasaktan ka na? Why do you still trust even though you've been hurt? Kanino? Kanino ka natitiwala sa trabaho? Who do you trust at work? Saan? Saan ka natiwala noong kailangan mo ng desisyon? Where/at what point did you trust when you needed to decide? Kailan ka nagtatag ng grupo? When did you establish a group? Paano? Paano ka nagtatatag ng tiwala sa team? How do you build trust in the team? Bakit? Bakit magtatatag ka ng bagong negosyo bukas? Why will you establish a new business tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtatag ng samahan noon? With whom did you establish the organization before? Saan? Saan ka nagtatatag ng connections? Online ba o sa personal? Where do you build connections? Online or in person? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magtatatag ng routine mo sa pag-aaral? When will you establish your study routine? Paano? Paano ka nagtatag kahit kulang ang pera? How did you establish it even though money was lacking? Bakit? Bakit nagtatatag ka pa rin kahit maraming hadlang? Why are you still building/establishing even though there are many obstacles? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtatatag ng partnership na yon? With whom are you establishing a partnership now? Saan? Saan ka nagtatag ng unang branch? Where did you establish the first branch? Kailan ka nagpahinga kahapon? When did you rest yesterday? Paano? Paano ka nagpapahinga kapag stress ka? How do you rest when you're stressed? Bakit? Bakit mapapahinga ka muna bukas? Why will you rest for a while tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagpahinga kasama nung weekend? With whom did you rest/spend downtime on the weekend? Saan? Saan ka nagpapahinga? Sa bahay ba o sa labas? Where do you rest? At home or outside? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka mapapahinga pagkatapos ng trabaho? When will you rest after work? Paano? Paano ka nagpahinga kahit maingay? How did you rest even though it was noisy? Bakit? Bakit nagpapahinga ka pa rin kahit marami pang gagawin? Why are you still resting even though there's still a lot to do? Kanino? Kanino ka nagpapahinga kapag kasama mo siya? With whom do you feel you can rest when you're with them? Saan? Saan ka nagpahinga nung bakasyon? Where did you rest during vacation? Kailan ka nagtapos ng project? When did you finish the project? Paano? Paano ka nagtatapos ng gawain kahit pagod ka? How do you finish tasks even though you're tired? Bakit? Bakit magtatapos ka ng maaga bukas? Why will you finish early tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtapos ng report? Para sa boss mo ba? For whom did you finish the report? Was it for your boss? Saan? Saan ka nagtatapos kapag gabi? Sa bahay ba o sa opisina? Where do you finish things at night? At home or at the office? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magtatapos sa pag-aaral? When will you finish your studies/graduate? Paano? Paano ka nagtapos kahit kulang ang oras? How did you finish even though time was short? Bakit? Bakit nagtatapos ka pa rin kahit wala kang gana? Why do you still finish even though you don't feel like it? Kanino? Kanino ka nagtatapos ng trabaho kapag deadline na? For whom do you finish work when there's a deadline? Saan? Saan ka nagtapos ng kolehiyo? Where did you graduate from college? Kailan ka nagsaya noong birthday mo? When did you have fun on your birthday? Paano? Paano ka nagsasaya kapag stress ka? How do you have fun when you're stressed? Bakit? Bakit magsasaya kayo bukas? Why will you celebrate/have fun tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsaya nung reunion? With whom did you have fun during the reunion? Saan? Saan kayo nagsasaya tuwing weekend? Where do you have fun every weekend? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magsasaya ulit? When will you have fun again? Paano? Paano ka nagsaya kahit umuulan? How did you have fun even though it was raining? Bakit? Bakit nagsasaya ka pa rin kahit maraming problema? Why are you still finding joy even though there are many problems? Kanino? Kanino ka nagsasaya kapag kasama mo sila? With whom do you have fun when you're with them? Saan? Saan kayo nagsaya nung bakasyon? Where did you have fun during vacation? Kailan ka nag-alaga ng aso? When did you take care of a dog? Paano? Paano ka nag-aalaga ng halaman araw-araw? How do you take care of plants every day? Bakit? Bakit mag-aalaga ka ng bata bukas? Why will you take care of a child tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-alaga nung may sakit siya? Whom did you take care of when he/she was sick? Saan? Saan ka nag-aalaga ng pusa? Sa bahay ba o sa labas? Where do you take care of the cat? At home or outside? Set 2. Different questions plus different context. Kailan? Kailan ka mag-aalaga sa sarili mo? When will you take care of yourself? Paano? Paano ka nag-alaga kahit pagod ka na? How did you take care of even though you were tired? Bakit? Bakit nag-alaga ka pa rin kahit walang tumutulong? Why are you still taking care even though no one helps? Kanino? Kanino ka nag-alaga ngayon? Who are you taking care of right now? Saan? Saan ka nag-alaga nung bakasyon? Where did you take care of during vacation? Kailan ka naglakbay papuntang Maynila? When did you travel to Manila? Paano? Paano ka naglalakbay kapag maliit ang budget mo? How do you travel when your budget is small? Bakit? Bakit maglalakbay ka bukas? Why will you travel tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka naglakbay kasama noong bakasyon? With whom did you travel during vacation? Saan? Saan ka naglalakbay tuwing may long weekend? Where do you travel whenever there's a long weekend? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka maglalakbay sa ibang bansa? When will you travel to another country? Paano? Paano ka naglakbay kahit umuulan? How did you travel even though it was raining? Bakit? Bakit naglalakbay ka pa rin kahit pagod ka? Why do you still travel even though you're tired? Kanino? Kanino ka naglalakbay kapag may conference? With whom do you travel when there's a conference? Saan? Saan ka naglakbay noong nakaraang taon? Where did you travel last year? Kailan ka nagpakulo ng tubig? When did you boil water? Paano? Paano ka nagpapakulo ng itlog para sakto? How do you boil eggs so they're just right? Bakit? Bakit magpapakulo ka ng sabaw bukas? Why will you boil soup tomorrow? Kanino? Kanino ka nagpakulo ng tsaa kahapon? For whom did you boil tea yesterday? Saan? Saan ka nagpapakulo? Sa kusina ba o sa labas? Where do you boil things? In the kitchen or outside? Set 2. Kailan? Kailan ka magpapakulo ng gatas? When will you boil milk? Paano? Paano ka nagpakulo kahit sira ang kalan? How did you boil it even though the stove was broken? Bakit? Bakit nagpapakulo ka pa rin kung kumukulo na? Why are you still boiling it if it's already boiling? Kanino? Kanino ka nagpapakulo ng kape ngayon? For whom are you boiling coffee right now? Saan? Saan ka nagpakulo noong camping? Where did you boil things when you were camping?